Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today, let us prepare Masaledar Aloo Katli, a simple and delicious recipe that can be either served as sabzi or snacks. Before we begin the preparation, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications on time. Let us first look at the ingredients that are needed for preparing Aloo Katli Masala. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Now we will check the ingredients required for making Masaledar Aloo Katli. 4 medium potatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, salt as per the taste, 1 tablespoon of Aloo Katli masala, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Let us now begin with the preparation of Aloo Katli masala. We will heat a pan and put coriander seeds, then cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and black peppercorns, and then dried red chilies. Let us sort and roast the masalas until aroma comes on low flame. Now we will put kasuri methi and roast it for few more seconds. We will turn off the gas and let the masalas cool down. Next, we shall take a jar and put the roasted masalas in it. Now, we will close the lid of the jar and blend it into coarse powder. We can see that the texture of Aloo Katli masala is coarse and perfect. Next, we shall start the preparation of Masaledar Aloo Katli. Firstly, we will take a potato and peel off its skin. In the same way, we shall peel the skin off other remaining potatoes. Now, we shall slice the potatoes in circular round shape, that is in katli shape. The size of sliced potato is perfect. In the same way, let us slice the remaining potatoes. We have to make sure that the potato pieces are equal in sizes for even cooking. Now, we will put all the sliced potatoes into a clean water. Let us wash the sliced potatoes properly and then drain off the excess water from it and keep it aside. Next, we shall heat a kadai and put oil. Then, cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds splutter and we will put the sliced potatoes carefully. Let us keep the flame low and mix it properly. Let us cook these potato slices for about 10 minutes. You can even cover and cook it, and we have to stir it in between. These are cooked now and we will put turmeric powder, then salt as per the taste. Now we shall mix it well. Next, we shall put rice flour. Adding rice flour gives crispiness to the potatoes. We shall again mix them properly. Now we will put dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, then red chili powder, and now we will put the prepared Aloo Katli masala, and lastly finely chopped coriander leaves. We have to mix them properly, making sure that all the spices are well coated on the potato slices, and our delicious Masaledar Aloo Katli recipe is ready. In this recipe, we have not used both onion and garlic. You can also add lemon juice instead of amchur powder. Lastly, we shall top it with finely chopped coriander leaves. You can enjoy it with chapati, paratha, or as a side dish with rice, and also as a snack. Thus, it is a multi-purpose recipe. I hope you all like the recipe of Masaledar Aloo Katli. Well, that's it for today. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button before you go and click on the bell icon for notifications on time. Thanks for watching.